Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to earn money from YouTube with affiliate marketing, all right? So if you're super excited to learn exactly how to do that, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them right here on the channel automatically. All right, so let's get right into the content for today. All right, so this right here, I'm right here on my channel, and as you can see, I have 2,000 subscribers. I want to give a quick shout out to all 2,000 of you that are supporting me, that have been supporting me, and all of the new people that are gonna come find this video and watch it and subscribe as well. I just want to give a shout out to you. All right, so let's get back to the content. All right, so as you can see, these are, I have it sorted by most popular. These are the most popular videos on my channel. All right, now, you guys know I'm all about results. So what I'm gonna talk about first is the video that made me $2,000. One video made me $2,000. I made money from the rest of these videos as well, but so far, this video right here has made me the most amount of money. All right, so what is it about that video that made the money? I'm going to go over 3 of my recommended tips for you to be using when it comes to creating content here on YouTube that's actually going to want to make people buy from you. Okay? All right, so first things first, I'm going to go over here to the whiteboard and I'm going to lay it out for you. So you need a product. First things first, you need a product. Now, the product is going to automatically relate to whichever niche that you're in, right? Let me go ahead and just tell you the 3 most profitable niches out there. There is health, wealth, and relationships, okay? Those niches are things that people are always going to have a need for. They're either going to want to lose weight, they're going to want to be in love, or they're going to want to make some more money, right? So that's why those niches make the most amount of money. It'll probably be like that forever. And if I'm just being completely honest. All right, so you need a product, and not just any product. You need a high quality product that solves a huge problem. Let me tell you what I mean. All right, so a product that would solve a problem, a huge problem. Well, business owners need eyeballs to their business in order to get leads, and also in order to get sales. They can't get leads or sales if they don't have the eyeballs coming in, right? So let me give you a quick example. I sell a tool, and that tool allows you to build a targeted list of people right on Facebook. Right on Facebook, the same way how I was able to go all the way from 3,700 friends to 5,000 friends in a two and a half month span, right? Literally, because I built that list using that tool, and I can literally charge a business owner to build them a targeted list of people that are going to want to engage with their content or buy from them, right? I can do that with that tool. So that solves a huge problem for a business owner. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. All right, so boom, we got a product that solves a huge problem. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to do our research. Before we create any video, we're doing research, my friend. All right, so let's go over here to my favorite tool, MorningFame, and this is how I do all of my research before I do a YouTube video. Because you have to create videos based around things that people are already searching for. So the good thing about YouTube is they have the instant search results. Now, what is that? So if I go over here, I'm going to pull up an incognito browser, and I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm just going to start typing a keyword. So how to, right? How to. All right, so as you can see, these are things that people are searching for. How to train your Dragon 3, how to download music on your phone, how to play PUBG Mobile, whatever that is, right? How to make slime, and so on and so on and so on. These are popular things that people are searching for right now, okay? So let's just say how to lose weight. Let's go with that. So when people are typing this, right, when they type this in, a lot of people are searching for all of these things. So these could be topics that you can create video content around, right? And then have a product to use the product as the solution to whatever problem that it is that the keyword is, right? Hopefully this is making sense. So how to lose weight fast, how to lose weight in 3 days, how to lose weight fast for teenagers, right? So let's get even more specific, because you make the money when you're specific. So how to lose weight in, right? As we keep going, you're going to see different keywords populating. How to lose weight in my, okay, so look at this. In my face, in my thighs, in my arms, in my stomach, in my arms fast, right? And as you can see, they have demand. How to lose weight in my arms. That gets 320 searches per month. Well, let's see what else they have if I keep going. How to lose weight in my face. And here we go again. How to lose weight in my face and neck. People are actually searching for this type of stuff. This is why you can literally never run out of content. Because even sometimes when something is really popular, like when Bitcoin was real popular, what I noticed is I would like type how to make money with, and I would see Bitcoin populate. This is when it was real popular. Then as it kind of died down, then you start to see the how to make money with Bitcoin kind of go away. So that's how I know these are things that people are searching right now. And you can become an instant authority by literally creating a video and ranking it on the first page. And when people are looking or they're trying to solve their problem, boom, your video pops up when they search for it. And now let me just show you what that is. So how to lose weight in my face and neck. So let's say, for instance, somebody looks for that and boom, this is your video right here because you learned a skill set on how to rank on the first page of YouTube, my friend. Guys, this stuff is like, every time I do keyword research, I'm going to be completely honest. I love making videos. I love doing it. But the funnest part is looking at the demand of those keywords and finding keywords that are like, they're like hidden, right? That people aren't finding, right? So that's really the funnest part of this for me is the research part. I'll spend 30-40 minutes sometimes just doing research and, you know, just preparing more and more content. I enjoy doing that, right? Because this, if I'm honest, it's the most important part. Without the research, you're not going to know what people are searching for, right? You're not going to know what people's problems are. That's why I enjoy doing, you know, YouTube SEO, because you're meeting them. They have a problem, right? This is their problem. You're meeting them on the end with a solution. They search, whoop, they find your video, whoop, you drop value, whoop, they're ready to buy, right? So that's the whole process. All right, so let's see what else we can come up with. How to lose weight in my face. How to lose weight. Let's see. How to lose weight in my, I see that down there, lower stomach. Okay, lower stomach. So if somebody only wants to lose weight in their lower stomach, you create a video based literally around the lower stomach, and you have a product that solves that problem. Guys, this stuff is fun. I'm telling you, it is fun, guys, in doing this stuff, because you can really make a lot of money doing this. I'm telling you. Let me, give me just a second, guys. All right, so yeah, you can literally make a lot of money doing this stuff, guys. And that's how I was able to make $2,000 with that one single video, okay? One single video. Now, let's back out of that. All right, so guys, there's another little trick I want to show you, because yes, doing it that way, that's fine. How to lose weight, but watch this. So you see, I'm going to hit the space button, and then I'm going to hit the underscore button. Now, any letter that I type, it's going to say how to lose weight A, right? I'm going to put an A. So now it's going to say how to lose weight at home, how to lose weight and gain muscle. So it's just adding the A and then all the stuff people are searching for with an A. Now, if I want to go throughout the entire alphabet, it's going to show me everything with a B now. So how to lose weight by drinking water, right? Let's put a C. How to lose weight cycling. How to lose weight consistently. How to lose weight counting calories. Let's do it again. how to lose weight during pregnancy. How many people do you think are searching for how to lose weight during pregnancy? Or let's try this. I'm going to take that away and I'm going to see after pregnancy. Let's try that. Boom. Look at that, guys. How to lose weight after pregnancy at home. Now, how many females do you think that have went through pregnancy that are searching something like that so they can get that little, their little pudge away? Right? There's a lot of people searching, and you can be that solution, the solution to their problem. That's how I made the money, guys. I mean, I can sit here and tell you, and go through all this other stuff, but I'm just going to be honest with you. I literally, let's go to the whiteboard. I found a product. I then created, I did my research, so I'll put an R there, right? After I did my research, I start creating valuable videos, and in some cases, if the product had a name, I would type the name in to see if that name was on YouTube and some people were searching it. I would see if people were already searching it. Then I would create an overview video of what the product does. People see it. They then see the value in it, and then they're ready to buy, right? So product, research, then you create your content, right? So I'll put a C. So the PRC formula, guys, I just created my own formula. You got your product, you got your research you got to do, and then you got your content that you're going to create that's going to what? It's going to put money in your pocket. Let me draw a little dollar sign right there, right? All right, we got a little dollar sign. All right, so there it is, guys. The PRC formula, that's how you're going to make money. Plain and simple. Product, research, content creates cash flow. All right? So with that being said, I want to go ahead and invite you to click the link down below in the description. That is the link to my free YouTube course. It's going to teach you how to rank videos on the first page, my exact formula to how I was able to make over $2,000 with that video. All right. So hopefully you got some value from this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. So with that being said, I'm going to see you in the next video, my friend. Peace.